The ribbon is the big panel that resides at the top of your screen. The ribbon is broken into various tabs: the Home tab, the Insert tab, the Page Layout tab, and so on. Each tab is then broken into various groups. Here we have the Clipboard group, here we have the Font group, and the Alignment group. Within each group are a set of commands or buttons. For example, we have a button to make something bold, something italics, and something underline. In the bottom right corner of some of these groups is a little arrow. This is not there for decoration, this actually serves a purpose. If I was to hit the arrow in the bottom right corner of the Font group, I will launch the Format Cells Font dialog box. So this little arrow is called the dialog box launcher. If I close this particular dialog box, if I hit the Alignment dialog box launcher, I'll go into Format Cells Alignment, and there are various alignment options I can choose, and cancel. If I hit the Number dialog box launcher, I get the old Format Cells Number dialog box. The last thing I'd mention regarding the ribbon is people are still losing the ribbon, and how they're achieving that is they're double clicking one of these ribbon tabs. If you double click Home, you will lose your ribbon. That's desirable if you want to see as much as you can of your spreadsheet, but if you want it back, you have to double click Home again. In fact, if you double click any one of these ribbon tabs, you will collapse the ribbon, and double click to bring it back.